What's good, YouTube? This your boy Bandman Rio. Have no fear. Oh my God, I need to cut my under hair. But look though, oh that rhyme too, low key. Look, gotta wash my hair. Y'all see that? Oh, now it's gone. But look though, my thing is, what is AUs? What? How to get AUs? How you get them? You can low key build your own AUs. If you got a credit line right under your real credit, I wouldn't suggest you use your real credit. Build a CPN, and then get a credit card under that CPN. It don't got to be much, but you know, every 6 months or every year, your credit limit go up. It all depends if you got on-time payments. Now look, you can charge people for an AU, for authorized user, for CPN or a credit card, a Tradeline. You can charge theirs like 500, 600, depending how long you had it. If you had it for a year, you can let it build for like it take time though, like, you know, it take time. So say if you trying to get an aged sell an aged AU, it's like 5 authorized users, I think 6, maybe 6. Now look, I can just wait it out and let it keep on going up for like 30, 40,000. So by the time you're done with your AUs, and if you think like you feel like you're tired of it, then take the whole 18,000 off. You gonna make more money selling AUs than you just taking that whole 18,000. You gotta have some extra income coming in, and you can take them off your AU as soon as they pay, or like 6 months after they pay. You know, y'all just gotta think smart, not hard. Like it's real live lit. The installment loans, I don't know how to make that shit. I ain't gonna lie to you. I really don't know how to make that shit. But hey, y'all, do me a favor, subscribe to me real quick. Hit that like button, really hit that like button and subscribe. Stop playing. I'm at 1,400. I'm proud of y'all. Y'all get me to 2,000 subscribers. I'm dropping the free sauce, how to do I just dropped free sauce right there. How to do the AUs. Stop playing with me too. I just dropped free sauce right there. Alright, keep on dropping sauce. Subscribe to me for more updated methods and scamming wise though. And just to let the police know, this shit is for entertainment purposes only. This shit is not real. Not real. But yeah. Thanks for watching, man. Matter of fact, hold on, another thing. When you're making your CPN, take your time with that shit. Don't rush that shit. Do not rush that shit.